man, coach. I am loose, dog. Free smoke. Oh, we out. Oh, we out. Sorry. Damn, bro. Can't give me no dap. Oh, back here, yeah. Mic'd up, dog. We mic'd up, Dalton. For real. I said we mic'd up, bro. Oh, I ain't did this in a while. Oh, it's been a long time. Gloves sticky though. Oh. Going sticky. Oh my God. Sticky joints. Fuller. Finna go to the crib. Could have been in the van if I wanted to. No. Say flip. Are you flipping? Oh! Scared me, bro. No, look. I got the other shirt and then I put the red shirt on.
I don't want you wearing that other baggy ass stuff.
Okay. I did put that shirt on. Oh, snap. I got it. Oh. Oh. He's going sticky. Oh! Yup. Money. Nice. Money. Timers, cookies. I gotta change the drill. Oh! Stay up, bro. Want to see some bunnies? Yeah. Uh-oh. Oh. 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 I just be a receiver. Huh? Even the rest know what's up. Oh, got it. Oh.
Business trip, all right? Business trip right here. Everybody do your job. Play as hard as you can. Good things will happen, right?
Thanks.
Be aggressive every single play. Don't be soft any play. Every play hard as you can. You got me?
Yes, sir.
You got me.
Let's go.
Hey, this is a team that likes to pass the ball a lot. I mean, that's perfect for us. We're gonna have a field day, all right?
A lot.
So everyone fly around, hit someone. If you get in the game, you gotta know what you're doing. We've been over this for a month now. I mean, I'm really chilling right now. I love this weather. I'm ready to go knock some heads, all right? So let's do what we do and let's rock out, all right?
That's the last game for
Yeah,
the season.
let's get it. Let's go.
Ball out for the seniors, man. Let's go. Haha. That's over. What baby say? For a little bando of advance, get a little ball and a job. You can come get rich with us. You gonna eat or you gonna starve? Good pay, baby. Damn, bro. You trying to kill me. Oh, shit. Bro, CJ. Ah, 60 right now. Run the comeback. He know better. Damn! Hey! Come on, Ferris. Get inside of her! Go, Hunt. Oh, he lit! He lit! Oh, yeah, he lit! Oh, my boy lit. Oh, he lit. Oh, he lit. Oh, that's cookies. Go, little chef. My turn. That's one takeaway. One. Still got 36 minutes of football left. And that. Come on, dog. Let me see something. Chuddy. What I tell you? Chuddy. Called it. Called it. Oh yeah, Dawson. Get in there, Dawson. For the pass. He's scared. He's scared. He ain't want to catch that. He's scared. He laughs. He think it's funny. It's gonna be funny when you at the crib. Oh man, dog. I should be a comedian or something. You good, you good, you good. Get in there, yup. Foot the ball, it's gonna go. It's gonna go to the crib. Scoot over, scoot over, scoot over.
Breaks the tackle, 30. On the near numbers, he's gonna go! Touchdown, Tigers! 40 touchdown by Bobby State.
Come on, dog. Come on, dog. That's what we do, dog. I called it too. I called that joint. Called it. Hey, the mic got it. The mic got it. I said I'm finna go to the crib. On me. Talk your fans, bro. Go, Caleb! Oh, yeah. Oh my God. You're a joke. Third and 19. Yeah, baby, bro.
Where he gone? He gone. He gone. He gone. Oh, he should stayed outside.
It's hurt. We on that. We on that. We on that.
I can't run without it though.
Nah, I'm messing with you, bro. You good.
Nah, we gonna need it.
But these gloves kind of hard though.
Hey,
they ain't coming off. It's coming off. It's cursing, bro. No, I don't want it to be bleeped out, bro. What's the point of having a video if all you gonna hear is bleep, bleep, bleep? It's pointless.
No cussing for real.
Come on, bro. I've been cursing a little bit, but chill though. It's What? What? We on that. That's locked. That's locked. That's locked. Yes. Oh God.
Everybody good? Everybody safe? Chill 3.
Chill.
Did I say look earlier?
Ah. Fudge. Hey, that bro. Toss my ass. Feel on my wrist. Ah. What the hell? Oh. Stay up, bro. You know, we did what we do. I mean, we played hard. We just getting ready for round 1, really. We got Elkins next week. It's really on the road to state. We got 5 more to get to state, and then after that, it's free game. So I got a little preview.